Hey guys, Bearsky here. So Meta broke installing APKs, specifically Sidequest, and I'll show you how to do it anyway. First up, and just bear with me, if this is your 50th video and the creator is asking you to download mobile VR station, trust me, it works. You're going to need to do some sneaky BS in order to make it work. This is working as of December 21st, 2025. So go ahead and open the Meta store and download install mobile VR station. I'm going to jump ahead because no one needs to wait around and wait till I download something. After it's downloaded, installed, go to your app library, click and hold on mobile VR station, and click on the settings option that pops up. Go to release channels and change the channel to old Oculus version opt-in. Click confirm. Close settings. Open the app library. Click and hold on mobile VR station, and then you'll notice that there's an update button now. Click on update. Again, I'm going to skip ahead just for your convenience. Once it's fully updated, you can go to your Meta browser and go to sidequestvr.com. You can either Google it or type it into the URL bar at the very top. Here, you're going to want to create an account and search for Sidequest VR. So I already have an account, so I'm going to jump ahead here. You can pause the video and continue on. And just a side note, if you do plan to play Minecraft VR directly from the headset without a computer, you're going to have to create a Sidequest account using the Microsoft account used to buy Java Minecraft. Now, go ahead and go to the Sidequest VR app once you search for it. Scroll down to the blue link that says download APK directly and click on it. You're going to get a warning that says you're going to go to a different site. Go ahead and click confirm. It's perfectly safe. Click on the app-release.apk file and download it. Once downloaded, you can close the browser and open mobile VR station. Now, as long as you did update mobile VR station the way I showed you how to do it, you'll see local files at the very top. If you don't see local files, go back to the timestamp and redo it. Now back onto it, go to local files, all folders, Android, data, scoped storage actions, step 1, request access. Now go to download. Click on the quad arrow in the top right of the app-release.apk object and install. And then you just let it install. Once it does install, you can close out of mobile VR station. Now, funny thing is, I've done this is probably like my 15th video on updating this stupid guide, but this is the first time it has not crashed when clicking out of this little gray settings window, file storage window. So, just found it weird. Wanted to let you guys know how weird it was. Now, once you close out a mobile VR station, you want to go on to the left side of the app library, and then you'll find a new setting, file location, branch library, known as unknown sources. Go there and find Sidequest VR. Go ahead and click it, and then open your browser again, and go to sdq.st/link. Now, since you already signed in before, when you created an account with Sidequest, it should be already signed in, but if not, sign in again. Then just enter the code that pops up inside your headset, and your Sidequest is then linked. So congrats! Now you can play awesome games like Attack on Quest, which is an Attack on Titan game that's free. Better than Unbreakable, I can tell you that much. QuestCraft, which is standalone Minecraft VR. Don't need a computer to run it. It runs right off the headset. It's really awesome. And many others. There's a Dragon Ball Z game. There's the Amazing Digital Circus. And many more free games. So for the rest of the video here, I'm just going to go through the motions of what happens of how you download and install an app. The one I'm going to go with is QuestCraft. Once you download and install a game, it's going to show up in your unknown sources folder. That's where you clicked on Sidequest VR on the left-hand side of the app library. And here's just a little showing of starting up QuestCraft. You will need to link the game to your Microsoft account, and once again, you need to make sure your Sidequest account was created using the Microsoft account used to purchase Java edition of Minecraft. Yeesh. And there you go. So sub, like, comment, whatever. It's all good. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bearski out.